Our first vision for this table was to have the tabletop and the table aprons be perfectly flush. We got pretty close when we put it together, but we had to refine that just a little bit, which leads us to today's cool tool segment. We use this old-fashioned scraper plane to get those surfaces perfectly flat. As with every plane that we use, we always get our bottoms nice and lubricated so it'll slide over our piece good. This is an old-fashioned scraper plane, so it's got the scraper here, set in an angle, wedged in, of course, nice, perfectly flat bottom. Very cool old tool, and this is sharpened just like you would a card scraper, but it holds it nice and flush. And this was perfect for running down the side of the table that we just did, whereas I couldn't use a card scraper was more difficult to handle, but this was the perfect tool for the job. So we got it out, sharpened it up, and let's pretend that this is the edge of our table now, and this thing worked really good, just coming in there, scraping off those little bits of material to get that edge perfectly refined down to where the edge of our table was on the same plane as our apron was. Very cool old tool. It's called a scraper plane. Works just like a hand plane, only it's a scraper. Does a great job of taking that material down. We use that all the way around the table in order to get that apron and that edge of that table to be perfectly flat and in the same plane. So it helped get our table to exactly the concept they were looking for when we started it. The good old-fashioned scraper plane is our cool tool segment of the day.